This is the blue list. Number 1, worm. I found a worm buried in my apple. Number 2 is lock. Lock your bike on the rack before you go into the library. Number 3 is kick. The punter will kick the ball to the other team. Number 4 is kitten. The kitten sat close to its mom when it got afraid. Number 5 is well. I lowered the bucket into the well to scoop up water. Number 6 is log. I will put another log on the campfire to keep us warm. Number 7 is lift. Please help me lift this heavy box. Number 8 is kettle. I filled the kettle with water and boiled it to make tea. Number 9 is jump. I'm going to jump rope tomorrow at recess. Number 10 is wish. On your birthday, you can make a wish and blow out your candles.